Okay, dear subscribers, today I decide to make an update on dump truck Mitsubishi Minicab 2000 model 4x4 AC, high-low gear, all these goodies, power steering. So when I decide to put lift kit and I realized the left strut was not leaking but kind of not working, a little loose, working, but and also the strut tabs was kind of loose, so I'm gonna replace strut tabs. I'm gonna replace the strut. I'll put 2-inch lift kit. Also the brake rotors arrived, the new brakes already in pads, so I'm gonna replace the rotors. On this side I'm gonna replace strut tab and 2-inch lift kit. Yeah, so this is gonna be awesome truck. Only 27,000 miles. I already took the dump piston to replace the seals. Crosswheel Hydraulics, very good people, they're helping me a lot. And it's gonna be brand new tires. It's gonna be Geolanders. I don't have any in stock right now. You order them, and it's gonna be on these beautiful rims too. This is the rims I'm gonna put. Nice, eh? Rims. And also I did just replace axle oil, transmission transfer case oil, front axle oil, engine oil and filter. And I decide from now on I'm gonna be putting what has been replaced. So whatever, you can just take acetone with the cloth and it will come off. But if somebody, your mechanic, he'll see it right there. It's 45,000 oil replaced. Maybe I misspelled it. Sorry, I'm Russian American hillbilly. For you on the front, everywhere. Engine gonna be in the top mark. So nice truck. It's gonna be a very, very nice truck. Geolanders. It's 8-ply heavy-duty tires, and I love these tires. You can check the previous Mitsubishi, the one I sold already. With the, I just post video a couple days ago. I put those Geolanders on Mitsubishi Minicab, and I drove it. Oh, I love them. They are original 12, but man, they look great with 2-inch lift kit. They perfect. Not heavy, nothing. So short video. So the struts will be replaced. Left strut, the right one is perfect, so I'm not gonna touch it. Maybe it's been replaced because it's got that sticker there, and I didn't see another one. Yeah, it's an old one, yeah. So that might be already been replaced on the right driver's side. Other than that, brand new air filter, brand new fuel filter, all the fluids replaced. 27,000 miles. Nice truck. Okay, I'm gonna keep posting video like that probably from now on. That way you all see what's been done. Have a blessed life.